Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Capital One 360 to your brokerage for deposits. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect your Capital One 360 account to your brokerage for deposits, begin by logging into your Capital One 360 account. Navigate to the Account Services section on the dashboard. Look for the option that says External Accounts or Link an External Account. Click on that option to start the linking process. You will be prompted to enter the name of your brokerage. Provide the required information for your brokerage. This typically includes your brokerage account number and your routing number. Next, you may need to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to complete any required identity verification steps. Once your brokerage is correctly linked, you will see it listed under your external accounts. Now, head over to your brokerage account. Log in using your brokerage credentials. Locate the option for funding or transferring money. Select the option to link a new bank account if prompted. Enter your Capital One 360 account details, including your account number and routing number. Initiate a small test deposit if required. This process ensures that both accounts are properly linked and verified. Wait for the small test deposit to appear in your Capital One account. Once confirmed, return to your brokerage account to finalize the connection. You are now ready to make deposits from your Capital One 360 to your brokerage account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.